I am Brenda Johnson.
I'm Steve Johnson.
Steve and I get to facilitate Listening Heart, and we want to talk with you a little bit about that.
So Brenda and I have been married for almost 25 years. And I like to say we've had 24 really good ones.
Yeah, I like to say he's my starter husband. Actually, we really appreciate what we learned as participants in Listening Heart, and as we become facilitators, how we get to create an environment where couples do really important work to stay fresh and current in their relationship with one another.
I think Listening Heart, the structure of Listening Heart really provided an opportunity for us to look at what works in our marriage and look at what doesn't work in our marriage in a really safe environment, and make different decisions about how we wanted to move forward.
Yeah, I totally agree. And I actually love that we can look at our commitments, and say, oh, how am I self-evaluating against that commitment that I've made? Am I on track, or are there things that I'm doing that require some adjustment on my part, or some apology, or some forgiveness? Or are there parts, where you're also growing and learning? Because, for me, I love the notion that this man that I married is not the same man that I married 25 years ago. Like, he's constantly evolving, and so am I. So those commitments become, I think, really vital ways to refresh, recalibrate, tune up to one another,
Yeah.
About what really matters most. So I'm excited to bring it back and to meet new people this year.